Kilby Browne and Marizete downtown financial district. Amazing, amazing, amazing views. Rooftop. Trying to figure out what I brought. Bottle of wine and 2 glasses, because this is what I call living. The Manhattan Bridge, Brooklyn Bridge, Old New York skyline, Empire State Building. Gorgeous to the core. Downtown living, rooftop living at its finest. Love the financial district. Access to water. Great restaurants. Phenomenal views. Near the finest in New York City history. New World Trade Center. Views on top of views.